Invest with Stash App review video. What up YouTube, it's your boy Jermaine back with another video, and in this video let's talk about the Stash App. It's been some time since I've reviewed the Stash App and I thought, hey, let's make a review video talking about the Stash App. I really like the Stash App. It's really simple to use, especially if you are new to investing. But here, this is, whoa, what did I do? Let's go back to this page. Here, this is my portfolio here, $4,384, and you can see the next milestones at $5,000. And this total account has a return of $373.22, which is not bad, not bad. Now we scroll down, there's also Stash Retire. I'll talk about that in a minute. Auto Stash, $10 every month is deposited into my stash account. Now it's $10 every month, which is not a lot of money, but randomly sometimes I'll deposit $100, $200, $300. It just happens randomly. But yeah, this is a stash here, and I really like the Stash App. Let's go over to the portfolio. This breaks down your portfolio a little more. Here I have a buying power of $111. You can just see a little bit more. Now here are my holdings. Wow, I'm actually not doing bad on some of these. I'm up like 9% on this one, and 9%, 13%. Gosh, on blue chips, I'm up 14%. Water of the World, I'm up 11%. Delicious Dividends, up 11%. Roll with the Buffett, up 6%. Aggressive Mix, up 3%. Now, some of these towards the bottom, these are a little bit newer. That's why the returns are not as good. Some of these towards the top I've had for a little bit longer. So that's this is Stash App. Now a couple things have changed. Now you can invest in individual companies. So as you can see here, this is Tesla, and I have invested $168.93 into Tesla. Now you guys may wonder, so why would someone want to use Stash App over the Robinhood app? Perfect example. Tesla right now is trading at $355.28 per share. Let's say I don't have $355.28 to buy one share of Tesla stock. Well, here I can come over to Stash App and I can invest what I have. And looks like I got a half a share of Tesla, and I bought this about a week ago. You know, there was just a whole bunch of good news coming from Tesla, so I just moved a little bit of money into Tesla just because I really like Tesla. I think they're going to be around. I think they're coming out with amazing things, like especially their cars, their electric truck. I don't know if a lot of people are aware, but Tesla is doing really good with the solar roofs and also the battery packs that you install in your house. And I think that technology could actually do a whole lot better than Tesla, than the cars. We'll just have to see, because I mean I can see a lot of people in the future, instead of putting a regular roof in their house, they might want to get a Tesla roof, because I don't know how, but these Tesla roofs are like cheaper than a regular roof. And if a Tesla roof is cheaper than a regular roof, you would have to be a fool to go buy a regular roof when you can get a Tesla roof. And this Tesla roof can provide energy, and now you don't have to pay a utility bill every month. So I really see a lot of potential in Tesla, but I also see a lot of potential in the Stash App, because let's say you're the type of person you want to invest $100 a week in Tesla. You can do that with the Stash App. You can't do that with Robinhood. You have to purchase a full share of Tesla to invest with the Robinhood app. But no, with the Stash App, you can invest as little as you want. Let's see, a couple things have changed here. Let's go over to invest. And I'm just going to just walk through really fast and just let's see what's changed. Let's see what companies are on here. So we have Amazon. Now, Amazon is a great one because, let's see, where is Amazon? Oh, here's Amazon here. Amazon is a perfect stock to have on the Stash App, because let's go look and see what the Amazon price is. Our price of Amazon is $1,699.80 per share. If you want to invest in Amazon and you don't have $1,700, you can still invest in Amazon with the Stash App. Like, Amazon's a pretty expensive one. Let's check out some of these other ones that are pretty pricey. Netflix is climbing up there. Gosh, I sold off shares of Netflix and I just watched the price just continue to grow. So Netflix right now is trading for $391.43 per share. So this would be another stock to jump in on using Stash App. Let's go over, let's see what else I got. Cannabis. I wonder what, whether they talk corporate cannabis. Okay, wow, let's just check out the performance. The performance does not look good. Oh my gosh. That's why I don't bother with cannabis stocks. Like, look at that performance. That's pathetic. I can show you everything else that I've invested in. His did a whole lot better than that. Let's go over to, let's just go over to one of these that roll with the Buffett. Let's look at the performance. Still so much better than that cannabis stock I just showed you guys. Yeah. I know well, the reason why I'm talking about the cannabis stock, I've received a lot of questions about cannabis and investing in, you know, things that have to do with medical marijuana and recreation marijuana coming up in the future. And honestly, there's better companies to invest in than those companies. Now, there's another one. There's something else that Stash has introduced. Is called Stash Retire. Let's go over to the Stash Retire app. And as you guys can see, I have what $1,135 in my Stash retirement portfolio. Now, one thing about the Stash retirement account, if you deposit up to $5,500 per year, you can write that off on taxes if you are self-employed. I believe you can write that off on taxes if you have a job. I could be wrong with that. I don't really know because I don't have a job. But if you are self-employed, you can write off roughly $5,500 of this. Like, you can write it off in taxes. Now let me give you guys an example. Let's say you made $25,000 for 1 year, and if you invested $5,500 into your retirement portfolio, you can roughly subtract the $5,500 from the $25,000 that you owe. So let's see here. I don't know why I can't subtract, but I have a calculator here. So roughly you would pay taxes on the $19,500 instead of the $25,000, but that's if you invested, I had to put my password in. That's if you invested money into your Stash retirement account. Now, as you can see, I've only put $400 into my Stash retirement account. I'm kind of scratching my head, like, do I really want to invest the $5,500 into my Stash retirement account? Because if you want to take this money out later, you will be taxed. So in my case, I don't exactly know if I want to hit my maximum goal of $5,500 this year. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. But another thing I do want to say about this is the Stash retirement account charges $2 per month, unlike the Stash Invest account, which charge $1 a month. So let's go over here to learn. Now you can think, I don't know, I really like how Stash does this, because this is kind of like a little section where you can, like, I guess, like, study and learn about investing, and there's all sorts of different topics. You can spend a lot of time here, and I really like how this works. Do I really need life insurance? And you can click on this one and it'll take you to this little article, and you can brush up on your information about life insurance. If you don't really know a lot about life insurance, you can learn a little bit about life insurance here. And yeah, this is one thing I really like about the Stash app. They have all sorts of things. I wonder what this plus area is for. Oh, okay, this is to make a deposit. So if I want to make a deposit, I can use this to make a deposit. I guess this plus is on all the screens here. Yeah, it's on all the screens. Now let's talk about some of these portfolios and some things to pick from. They're always adding different portfolios on the list. This one wasn't around the last time I was purchasing portfolios here. But there's just always so many to choose from. I really like this Defending America. For some reason, it just does really well. Yeah, I'm going to actually buy some defending America right now. I have $111.42. So let's put 50 bucks into this one. No, we don't want to reinvest every month, but to do it right now is totally fun. Okay, this is just how you purchase. Awesome. Look how easy it was to, I mean, it was just super, super simple. See your next coach challenge. Let's click on this because I actually have not followed the coach challenge. So this is the coach challenge. There's all these things you can do and you get points. And once you get points, you move up, semi-pro, professional. It's just like a game system here. It's pretty cool, but I'm not going to really go through this because I really haven't went through it. But if you download the Stash app, or if you already have the Stash app, you can just check this out right here. It's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the Stash app. Now I want to spend $50 more. Let's see. What do I want to spend it on? I always buy the same ones over and over. Let's put 50 bucks into AI's top US picks. Let's do that. Let's see Alphabet on here, NASDAQ, Facebook, Amazon. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let's check out the performance for the past year. It's been climbing. This is a new portfolio. This is definitely a new portfolio. So I want to get on this one. And now I wonder what the price is. Oh, it's trading at $28. So I'm gonna drop. What's 28 times 28? 28 times 28 is 56. So I am going to drop. Let's just do $61. So that roughly gives me 2 shares. And we don't want to reinvest every month. Nope. And we're going to use our cash balance. If you would like, there's other balances you can use. See, I have a Chase account linked up to this one. So I can use the Chase account. But here we're going to use my cash balance because I have $60 in here to cover it. And we are purchasing. Awesome. So now I've just purchased another share and here we go. We are set to go. I'm going to go over to my account. Looks like I need to add a photo. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I'll add a photo. How do you add a photo? Well, it's not showing me how to add a photo. Well, yeah. Well, I wish I could show you guys how to add a photo, but well, it doesn't look like it's letting me add a photo. I really wish I could show you guys. Maybe it's here. Oh, right, here we go. Let's do this. Let's add a photo. Let's choose. I'm going to choose from album. Cannot show you guys all my photos, so just hold on one second. Okay, here's a cool photo. Let's put me in it because I'm taking a photo with someone else. And bam! I got my face. Oh no, I guess it didn't work. Let's try it again. Okay, we'll try one more time. Choose. No? I don't know why this is not working, but it's not letting me add a photo. So yeah, maybe it's because I have my phone hooked up to my computer and I am streaming like so. But yeah, this is pretty much the Stash app, and this is a pretty cool app, and they have added a whole bunch of new features to the Stash app. So guys, I just wanted to make a video, just giving you guys an update on the Stash app. It's definitely an app I still use. It's still on my phone. I still love using Stash because every day you can stash a little bit of money. If you wanted to, you can stash $5 a day, $2 a day, $1 a day. You can do it with this app. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.